In this video, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. To do this, open up Shopify and go to Add Apps. From here, open up the Shopify App Store and then simply gonna search for WhatsApp button. There you will find several apps. Now the one that I would use is WhatsApp button by Ease. So you can just go and click on it and then click install. You can see right here kind of what it looks like, so you can add a button where people can then contact you through WhatsApp. So from here, just confirm by clicking on install. So then after you've opened up the app, go to settings right here. And then from here, first enter your WhatsApp number. Then click save and enable. Then from there, it will take you to the app embeds. Now make sure to turn it on right here and then click save in the top right. Now here you can already see it pop up. So now just go and exit, go back to the app and then into settings. And then from here, after adding the WhatsApp number and having it enabled, you can see right now WhatsApp chat button is enabled. Now you can set up the settings, for example, enable a pre-filled message, or you can choose the appearance such as the chat with us, a logo circle button, or a profile picture. Then you can choose the size, any colors, you can choose where it is, so for example bottom right. You can choose the distance from the right and bottom, and you can just go through it right here. You can also set up tracking, you have enhancements, and you can just hit save once you're done. And now when I go to my online store, you can now see it has the button here, and if I then click on it, it will open up a new WhatsApp window where people can then chat with you or whichever phone number you add. And then once they click continue to chat, then from there they can go and send you a message. So that's how to add a WhatsApp button on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.